Let's talk unique selling points. A unique selling point is what sets you apart. And I cannot talk any less about this. It is so important. I know that when we start a business, we are so emotionally attached to it, most of us, especially if it's your very first business. You are so emotionally attached to it, and you believe that it is the best thing that's ever come to the market. There's nothing else out there like it. And 9 times out of 10, you have some friends and family around you saying, I ain't never seen nothing like this. You're really doing it. You're the only one to do it. And they haven't done a dime of research at all. And you're not the only one that's doing it. And once you get in it, you're gonna start seeing everybody else pop up that has already been doing it and is doing it and then is entering into the market. So you need to go ahead and get yourself a unique selling point, and that is what truly sets you apart. I'm not talking about customer service. I'm not talking about because we build community. I'm not talking about because we improve confidence. I'm not talking about that because those are so generic and they are so surface level. I want you to get deep to say what really sets you apart. What really sets you apart? And then how does it resonate with the people that you want to truly do business with? Because contrary to popular belief, and I will continue to say this, and you'll always hear this in the world of business, everybody is not your customer. So you need to focus on who your customer is, what are their pain points, and why are their pain points not being met by anyone else? And how can you approach that angle and get your foot in the door so that you are the one that not only meets that pain point consistently, guaranteed, every single time, but you have a system that allows you to do it in a cost-effective way, and you have a system that allows you to track the successes, and you have a system that allows you to stand out from everyone else in the market. That is a true unique selling point. That is a true unique selling point. You want a formula to solve a client's pain point in a way that's so unique and so creative that no one else can do it. They might try to figure it out. They might try to copy from what they can see, but they will not be able to deliver because either they won't have the resources, they won't know how to do it efficiently or effectively, and only you have that secret sauce. So go ahead and try to figure out right now what your unique selling point is and challenge yourself. Am I being too generic? Am I being too surface level? Am I being too superficial with this unique selling point? Is this the same blah, blah, blah that we always see? Is it truly customer service? Is it really? And if so, how? And how is this customer service not duplicatable by somebody else? So you want to really reel that thought in, because that unique selling point is going to get you more business. That unique selling point is going to have somebody leave your competitor and come over there to you. That unique selling point is going to have somebody find you and stop searching altogether because they just want to do business with you. It's going to have those clients that come do business with you tell everybody that they know who are in the same market for whatever it is that you are delivering. Tell everybody that they know to come to you. It is very important. Do not overlook it. Really spend time with it, develop it. And then as your business changes and grows, as the market changes and grows, as pain points fluctuate for your clients, then change your unique selling point. If this video was helpful, make sure that you hit the like button, save it, share it with somebody that you know needs to hear it, give me a comment, and most importantly, keep following my page. I'm Coach T, the Polepreneur.